Serving in the United States Armed Forces is a profound honor. It comes with sacrifices, both seen and unseen. As you transition back to civilian life, you deserve support for any service-connected conditions you may have. The VA claims process is designed to provide you with these vital benefits. This process can seem daunting, but understanding its intricacies is crucial. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to navigate this system effectively. From preparing your claim to understanding ratings, we'll cover the essential steps. Remember, seeking these benefits is your right, not a privilege. Your service and sacrifice deserve to be acknowledged and supported. By taking charge of your claim, you can secure the benefits you rightfully deserve. Let's embark on this journey together, step by step. The VA claims process is constantly evolving. Staying informed about the latest changes and trends is key to a smoother experience in 2025. One significant change is the increasing use of technology. Online portals and digital tools are streamlining the claims process. This makes it easier for veterans to track their claims and submit documentation electronically. Another notable trend is the focus on mental health. The VA is placing a higher priority on recognizing and treating invisible wounds like PTSD and anxiety. This includes expanded resources and faster processing times for mental health claims. Furthermore, the VA is actively working to reduce the claims backlog. They are implementing new initiatives and hiring more staff to expedite the process. Staying updated on these changes through official VA channels and reputable veterans organizations is essential. A well-prepared claim is crucial for a smoother and faster decision. The first step is to gather all relevant documentation. This includes your DD-214 medical records and any supporting evidence of your condition. Make sure your medical records clearly link your current condition to your time in service. If you haven't already, schedule an appointment with a healthcare provider. This will establish a clear record of your diagnosis and treatment history. Next, complete the necessary forms. You can find these forms on the VA website or through a veterans service officer. Be detailed and accurate when filling out these forms. Your VSO can guide you through this process and answer any questions you may have. Once your claim is prepared, it's time to formally submit it to the VA. You can do this online, by mail, or in person at a VA regional office. After submission, the VA will review your claim and supporting documents. This is where the importance of thorough documentation becomes evident. You may be called for a compensation and pension examination. This exam is conducted by a VA-approved healthcare professional. It helps the VA assess the severity of your condition. The entire process can take time. Be patient and stay proactive. Regularly check the status of your claim online or contact the VA for updates.